Hey guys, welcome back to Georgia 4 I'm Arthur. Hey, why does everybody hate on chrome? Chrome on Jeeps. I love chrome on Jeeps. Let's talk more about it. Actually, I do like chrome on Jeeps, but I like the chrome look, meaning polished aluminum, brushed aluminum, stainless steel, things like that. I love that look. Wright has built some nice rock crawlers with a lot of attention to detail with stainless and polished or just bare aluminum, and it looks really good. There's some stuff out there, those overlays that are just stick-on plastic chrome stuff. That stuff can look a little low end or cheesy, let's say, but heaven forbid somebody post a picture of their Jeep on a Facebook group and it has some chrome on it. They just go ballistic. People just bash them one after another, but I'm here to tell you, I like some chrome on a Jeep, even if it's I like some of even the stick-on stuff that I just mentioned a while ago that could be cheesy. It's cheesy if you overdo it, but just a little bit of it does look good. But I'm going for a look totally different. I want to get rid of everything that's black on my Jeep, and I want to go with stainless, polished aluminum, brushed aluminum, or something in its replace. So let's take a look at what we're doing today. Today is a simple task of taking some stainless bolts that I picked up from Jeep Bolts. These come with a nice stainless washer. It's got a rubber gasket on the back side of them. All stainless, American fasteners. And we're going to be replacing these guys. All six, or six on each side, so we're going to replace these black bolts. I've already replaced some here with Jeep Bolts, and these look pretty good as well. Now, like I mentioned, I'm trying to get rid of everything black on the Jeep, so this fall, these brackets will come off and be powder coated and color matched to the Jeep. Same thing with this bracket. It's going to come off and strip the powder coat, and it's going to be color matched. As you can see, we already got brushed aluminum fenders. We got aluminum fender liners. We got aluminum wheels. These rock sliders are coming off this fall. We're going to go with a nice rock slider that's going to be powder coated to match the front bumper and rear bumper and our tire carrier. Even this guy, I'm going to replace this with something other than black. This will have to stay. We can see we already got the nice aluminum fair lead. We got some nice control products on the hood, stainless hinges, the bumper deletes. Might even go with controls, stainless steel wiper arms as well, and get rid of these old black ones. Also, I'm going to dress this area. We're going to get rid of this factory gas cap surround and cover, and probably do some kind of brushed aluminum piece here. These factory tail lights are gone. There are some options for like the tailgate handle and obviously the door handles. I want to get rid of these as well, but the option out there is pretty pricey, so I'm going to wait on those. But I can get rid of those. The mirrors are up for debate. I may take these off and have a body shop prep and paint them, or I may try to do it myself to color match the Jeep. I did fail to mention, even though these ain't black, these hinges are getting replaced with some machined aluminum. They got the typical problems with paint starting to flake in a couple areas. I've actually touched that one up a little bit, touched that one up, but you can still see it's starting to try to, typical paint coming off the hinges, but I think that turned out really good. Now you'll need a T40 torch bit to remove your factory hardware, and then these will install with a 3/16 Allen. It does look really good. I think it's going to look better once this bracket is color matched, painted to the Jeep. That stainless underneath there will stand out a lot better. Hey guys, stop hating on the chrome. Some people say chrome won't get you home, but boy, it sure does look good anyways. But hey, thanks for watching, and drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the chrome haters out there, and thanks for watching.